Hi everyone, it's Todd and Kathy with Just Out and About.
We are here at Carowinds today, and as you might can tell, they are still doing a Winterfest. But that's not why we're here today.
Right, we're actually here to give you a little bit of coverage on the construction that's ongoing with Copperhead Strike.
Right. We haven't done it in a while because we wanted there to be a big change for the next time we showed it to you, and there has been a really big change. But this is also the last time for the year that we have a nice sunny day. We can get in before nightfall and get some really good pictures for you.
Exactly. Winterfest is going to be ending very soon. We plan on being here again for New Year's Eve. We're going to show you some coverage of that, which we're excited about. But in the meantime, let's take a look and see what's going on here with Copperhead Strike. Hey, we decided to make a pit stop and look what we got. Some really fresh gingerbread men. They just made these. We got first in line.
Yeah. And these are my favorite. I always have to get these when we come here.
Let's see.
Okay guys, so as you can tell, they've come a long way.
A very long way.
Yeah.
A lot of construction still going on. And of course, today, you know, even though we're leaving a little bit early for Winterfest today, we had a blast. It was fun.
Right.
Rode a couple of rides. And of course, we'll be back to see you again and let you know how the Winterfest goes for New Year's Eve.
Yeah. So be looking for that vlog soon.